that is the creative creative idea of Shivani Naik, ma'am. Okay. But for me, if you ask me, sir, yeah, kya session hai? So this session is about how to handle your boss, the most difficult part in our corporate life, most difficult part. You know, as they say in English, that you can't choose your father and you can't choose your boss. कुछ नहीं कर सकते, भगवान की मर्जी होती है. So in corporates, at times you will meet good people. At times you will meet extremely good people or good bosses. At times you will meet okayish boss, reasonable boss जो अपने काम से काम रखेगा. And sometimes you meet devils. I was lucky. I mean, in 22 years, I have worked with almost 14, 15 bosses. Now, my current boss, Dr. DM Doke, possibly he's my 16th or 17th boss. So, हर एक बॉस की एक एक कमाल थी, वो मैं डिस्कस करूंगा आपके साथ. And from that, we will learn how you're going to handle people. And before moving into that, I was going through the feedback forms, and some places I've seen some people writing that they feel nervous during interview or they need to develop confidence. They are less confident during interview. Okay, ऐसे किसी ने भी बोला था. So I would like to address that particular question also before we start with bosses. Okay. Uh, what do you think? What is more important when you go for an interview? What is more important for you? Your appearance, uh, the way you look, or the way you conduct yourself, the type of clothes you're wearing, the type of language you speak, or the kind of eye contact you have, or maybe the kind of qualifications you have, or the kind of knowledge you have. Yes, yes, knowledge. एंड सिर्फ नॉलेज होके मतलब नहीं होता है भव्या कृतिका. नॉलेज होके सिर्फ मतलब नहीं होता है. द अपोजिट पर्सन शुड नो दैट यू possess दैट नॉलेज. वी ऑल आर नॉलेजेबल. वी ऑल आर नॉलेजेबल. कोई ज्यादा है कोई कम है, एग्री, बट वी ऑल आर नॉलेजेबल. बट विद इन दैट, how you conduct yourself or how you market your skills. Marketing skills doesn't mean that, "Oh, yeah, come to me, see, I know everything." ये नहीं. With your actions, with your answers, with your conduct, with your language, with your eye contact, with the kind of words that you use, you should be able to convince the opposite person that yes, I know something. Okay. And what what is the expectation from corporate? And especially the expectations will vary depending on the position for which you all are applying for. Okay. See, typically all of you, when you will start your job, your first job, you will join at the junior most level. Okay. If you're from any stream, but then you will join at minimum level in the company. Knowing your educational background, whether you're a BAFS graduate or a BMS or a BBI or a BMM or a BSc IT, people from corporate, they know that the limitation that your syllabus has got. Okay. The kind of knowledge that you may possess, again, they'll have some idea that if I'm selecting somebody in for accounting or finance job, he or she is not going to consolidate my accounts. He's not going to do the foreign transactions, yeah, related party transactions, or maybe report figures to the parent company. It's not going to happen in very first day or very first week, or possibly in very first year also it may not happen. But what they expect from you, and this is something wherein I'll quote one person over here. I was talking to one Mr. Sandeep Divekar, who happens to be my ex-boss, and he's a chartered accountant by profession. He's of my age only, 3 months elder to me, and he's the CFO of Esta Group of companies. And while I was talking to him, that sir, what you all expect from these youngsters? So his answer was very simple. He said that, Sarvottam, we know that these students have got limited knowledge base, and it's not their fault. Even when we were students, even we had a limited knowledge base. At least these guys know where to search for knowledge. We didn't even know that when we were in TY or something. So we don't expect much from them, but one thing we expect from them. What is that one thing? What is that one thing? Knowledge, no. Grades, no. Bolo, bolo, bolo. What do you think? Come on, yaar, interact.
Honesty, sir.
Honestly, नहीं नीरज, honest तो सब लोग होते हैं. Yes, Vaishnavi and Isha. Wait a minute, I'll just start my chat. Willingness to learn, eagerness to learn, sincerity, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मृणमयी, क्यूरियोसिटी, स्पॉन्टेनियस, ये सबको रेडी टू लर्न, ये सबको मैं अगर एक वर्ड में कहना चाहूंगा तो डिसिप्लिन, यस यू आर राइट, विलिंगनेस टू लर्न, ग्रैब न्यू थिंग्स, ये सबको अगर एक वर्ड में समराइज करना है, द वर्ड आई नॉर्मली यूज वेरेवर आई टेक लेक्चर्स. क्या मैटर करता है लाइफ में? नॉलेज, यस. ग्रेड्स, यस. कमांडो और इंग्लिश, यस. बट देन वो सबके ऊपर कंसिस्टेंसी, यस. बट देन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट, अप्रोच, यस अजय. एक ही लड़का है जो लेक्चर सिंसियरली अटेंड करता है, अजय. अप्रोच एंड स्लाइटली बेटर वर्ड, एटीट्यूड. Approach and attitude. Attitude means what? I'm a cost accountant. Last 20 years I've worked in industry. 10 years I'm into teaching. मेरे जैसा costing किसी को नहीं आता है. No, that is not attitude. That is ego. Which is wrong. Which is wrong. But you must show the willingness to learn. Yes, you must have positive attitude. Typically, this Mr. Sandeep Divekar, he only gave me this particular example that they had recruited one management trainee who was a qualified chartered accountant. And when I asked him, or he said, when we told him that, okay, let's have a meeting today at 7 o'clock, morning, night, evening 7 p.m. And we will discuss certain things related to audit, and we will have a role clarity as to who is going to do what in the audit. The answer he gave is that it's my brother's birthday, younger brother's birthday today. I cannot wait beyond 5. So I asked him, Sandeep, what you did? So he said, नहीं यार, मैंने उसको बोल दिया, okay, you can go. But within next 3 months, he was out of our company. मुझे ऐसे लोग नहीं चाहिए. Yeah, if there is some emergency, I'll go out of the way to help this person. But then, other than that, birthday के लिए इसको 5 बजे जाना है. A birthday party can start after 7 or after 8. What is more important for you? Your brother's birthday? Maybe yes. At your age, you may say yes. But यार, मैं इधर बैठ के ऑडिट का प्लान कर रहा हूँ अपनी कंपनी का. Are you getting it? There, your attitude, approach matters. सर गर्लफ्रेंड का बर्थडे जाना है 5 बजे. नहीं, ये कॉलेज नहीं है. And people have told me in the past, सर बर्थडे था इसलिए लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं किया. Okay, as a student it's okay. But as a corporate professional, that's not okay. But so that, do you mean to say that we should sacrifice our personal life and all? No, we'll come to that little later. But then at your age, you need to display that positive approach. मैंने बीच में एक हर्षा भोगले का एक स्पीच देखा था जो शायद मैंने आप लोगों से भी कभी शेयर किया होगा व्हाट्सएप पे. In that, Harsha Bhogle says that when Sachin Tendulkar was born, he did not born with hundreds. When the nurse handed over that little baby to Mrs. Tendulkar, she did not say that, ma'am, here are hundreds for you. No. It's the attitude, approach, and the work ethics of Sachin Tendulkar made him Sachin Tendulkar. Virat Kohli, great player. Rohit Sharma, great player. But they are not Tendulkar. Tendulkar is Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar I'm referring to. Okay. So, अगर आपको उस तरह से बनना है तो आपको अप्रोच पॉजिटिव रखना पड़ेगा, अपना एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव रखना पड़ेगा, एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली वर्क एथिक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. वी विल हैव सेपरेट सेशन ऑन दैट एथिक्स. वर्क एथिक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू शुड बी वर्कोलिक. भाड़ में गई फैमिली, मुझे क्या करना है, मैं तो सिर्फ काम करूंगा. नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट. यू नीड टू स्ट्राइक अ बैलेंस बिटवीन. योर फैमिली इज इम्पोर्टेंट, यस, but your work is also important. Narayan Murthy, Mr. Narayan Murthy of Infosys had said that never fall in love with your company. You never know when the company will stop loving you. Yes, he was right. But then जो भी करो दिल से करो. मुझे पैसा मिल रहा है, पैसे के लिए मैं कुछ भी. No, that's not the right attitude. I want to learn something new because in textbooks I have learned whatever was bare minimum, which was sufficient enough to give me my O grades and all that. But that's not required by industry. What industry requires, if I have to learn it, and if the CFO of the company is telling me that wait back till 7, I will teach you something, you should say, sir, 7, nahi, I can wait back up to 9 also. He will not tell this to you every day. Probably he's just testing how good you are or what whether you have positive approach or no, and you failed there. So knowledge is important and positive approach and attitude is important. आप जब इंडस्ट्री में जाओगे, they should feel that you're hungry for knowledge. हाँ ये तो मुझे आता है, हाँ ये तो मुझे आता है. नहीं आता भी है, probably you must have done it somewhere else, but always be a good learner. After 22 years of experience in industry, 11 years of experience in the teaching field, I still feel that I have to learn a lot many things. आज भी कहीं कुछ अच्छा सुनाई देता है तो मैं रुक के सुनता हूँ, because you never know कि कौन सी बात आपको कब कहाँ पे कैसे काम आ जाए. You never know. So that keep that student attitude alive in you all the time till the time you reach 60 and you retire, and after that also of course, but I'm restricting it to corporate things. So jab tak aap retire nahi hote, till that time please maintain that learning attitude. Learn something new, learn something. So if your knowledge base is strong, if your attitude is positive and your approach is positive, and you have the ability to market your skills, you will not feel nervous during interview. अपने knowledge के ऊपर भरोसा रखो. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है who had asked that question, otherwise I would have told this specifically to that person. But trust your knowledge base, enhance your knowledge base. Knowledge से बढ़ के कुछ नहीं है. You might be brilliant in your academics, but knowledge, please don't mix up academics and knowledge. Two things are totally different. Academics might give you some knowledge, and knowledge will give you, further qualifications also, your professional qualifications also. But how to use that knowledge? Okay. उसके ऊपर ही वही continuing with the same example of Harsha Bhogle. Okay, Vinod Kambli and Sachin Tendulkar, both of them were friends, and they started their cricketing journey together. And according to their coach, Mr. Ramakant Achrekar, Vinod Kambli was a better player than Sachin Tendulkar. But Sachin Tendulkar became Sachin Tendulkar, and Vinod Kambli was not to be seen anywhere. He played his last test at the age of 22, and Sachin Tendulkar played for 22 years. Why this happened? Because Vinod Kambli was brilliant. Brilliance ने उसके सारे काम कर दिए थे life में. Whatever problems he had faced during his cricketing life, all the problems were sorted out by his brilliance. अरे Vinod है, ये तो brilliant है, ले team में. But he had one weakness which the West Indian fast bowler Courtney Walsh explored. He didn't know how to play the bouncing ball. And at Mumbai Wankhede Stadium, flat wicket, Courtney Walsh was bowling him bounces and Vinod Kambli couldn't play it. And after that, he never played a test. Why? Because attitude. After the match, Vinod Kambli would go to a bar and have a glass of beer or something. Sachin Tendulkar would go to nets and practice. Work ethics. Work ethics. That's the reason Sachin Tendulkar is Sachin Tendulkar. And he'll always remain Sachin. So attitude, approach, and knowledge. So another question that was asked, or rather the point was mentioned in that feedback form, was that confidence जाता है sir, कैसे confidence लाए? Again, knowledge होना चाहिए. Your basic knowledge. Now, you all belong to different streams. But whatever stream you belong to, you must know the basics of that particular stream. Accountants cannot say, BAF cannot say, हमको basic rules नहीं मालूम accounts. Debit क्या है, credit क्या है, नहीं मालूम. No, they cannot say that. Same is the case with BFM. BFM cannot say that what is National Stock Exchange, what is Bombay Stock Exchange, what is Nifty, what is Sensex, what is upper circuit, what is lower circuit, what is future, what is option. They cannot say that. ठीक है, एक्सपर्टीज नहीं होगी आपकी, but then at least you must know something about it. PBI student cannot say what is a principle of utmost good faith as far as the insurance is concerned. They cannot say हमको नहीं पता, हमारे syllabus में नहीं था. No, you can't say that. That's basic. They cannot say what is Basel norms. PBI students cannot say that we don't know what is Basel norms. They need to know that. अभी मीडिया और इसमें मुझे एग्जांपल्स नहीं मालूम because I don't belong to that field. Otherwise, I would have given examples of BMM and JCIT also. A management student, a BMS student cannot say, I don't know what is span of control. What is span of control? I don't know. Then you're not fit to be a BMS student. You must know that. And you're in TY. Chalo, first year में किसी को मालूम नहीं, I can still understand. But when you're in TY, you must know these basics. So your basics should be clear. And those of you who feel that they feel less confident during interview or during interaction with unknown people, what they should do is they should stand in front of the mirror and talk to themselves in English. So on what topic? Any topic of your choice. Lock yourself in a room, stand in front of the mirror and talk to yourself in English. Broken English, right English, wrong English, whatever English, but in English. Secondly, communication skills कैसे improve करते हैं उसके ऊपर भी बहुत सारे questions आए थे. We will have one session on communication skills also. But one mantra I would like to tell you, which I followed, even I have studied in Marathi medium, and trust me, nothing wrong has happened to me except first 10 days of FIJC. जब मुझे बहुत टेंशन आता था कि इंग्लिश कैसे बात करने का, literally butterflies in the stomach, and that too Marathi medium school like Parle Tirak Vidyalaya, means it is pure Marathi school. Okay? One typical mistake which we all do, I mean those who have studied in vernacular medium, I've discussed this separately with some people, but then on this common platform, first time I'm discussing. The mistake that we make is that we think in our local language and then we try and translate it in English. And उधर ही गड़बड़ हो जाती है. Okay. Suppose if I'm teaching you English, or suppose I am your Marathi teacher, and if I tell you that Jay Shri गडबड केलीस तर क्लास मधनं इतना बाहेर फेकून देईन तुला. This is what I would say in Marathi. But if I have to translate it in English, I'll think, okay, मी तुला क्लासमधून बाहेर फेकून देईन. If you make mistake, I will throw you inside out. Huh? Means what? मी तुला बाहेर फेकेन. What I did, I translated it literally, and the meaning changed completely. Are you getting it? So that's the place where we all make mistakes. We think in our local language and we try and translate it into English. और वो translation में जो भी time जाता है उसमें आपका means the momentum goes off, and then you end up speaking something which is not intended to be spoken. Okay, I've seen funny instances happening. I mean, certain things I cannot mention over here. इतने भयानक instances हो जाते हैं अपने life. Nothing wrong in that, and even if you speak wrong English, nothing wrong happens. कोई नहीं. We are not Britishers. Perfect English कौन बोलता है world में? Britishers. You know, I was in US and there like typical Indian and American mentality कैसे होती है, मैं example बताता हूँ. I don't know if I've shared this with you. I was in Chicago and there was one CFO. So he came and asked me that what must be time just now in India. Okay, और वो तभी ना मेरे पास वो न्यूज़पेपर था जो मैंने दुबई एयरपोर्ट से उठाया था, जिसपे सचिन तेंदुलकर के 100 टेस्ट का रिपोर्ट था और सचिन तेंदुलकर का फोटो था. तो टाइम पास के लिए आई वाज रीडिंग इट इन द फ्लाइट. So this guy is asking me, who is this guy? तो पहले मेरी उधर ही सटक गई थी. देखो सचिन तेंदुलकर नहीं मालूम. Americans, they don't follow cricket, so he was not aware, and he was pure American. I said, who is this guy? I said, this is god of cricket. तो उसको मैंने फिर explain किया what Sachin Tendulkar means to us. And then he started talking to me about India and all that, and casually asked me, what must be the time in India now? I said 12 midnight. Okay, I said 12 midnight. This fellow looked at me like this. Suddenly से पीछे जाके देखा. What are you trying to say? Is it 12 or midnight? हम लोग इंडियंस क्या बोलते हैं? रात को 12 बजे, मध्य रात्रि से 12, right? So I said 12 midnight. He said, when you say midnight, you need not say 12. So he asked me whether it is 12 or midnight. Then I realized and then I changed it. No, I just pulling your leg. It's midnight. ऐसा करके घुमा दिया मैंने. तो you have to be very careful when you think. मैंने क्या सोचा मध्यरात्रि से 12 रात के 12 बजे so मैंने घुमा दिया midnight 12. Translation typical. Never do that. Never do that. Think in English and communicate in English. Okay. Yes. Any questions on this? Then now we will move on to boss. या भव्या आप कैमरा पे नहीं हो आज क्या हो गया okay anyways boss as I said we cannot yeah no problem yeah some more people if they want to come on camera they can बहुत मजा आने वाला है bro boss and father unfortunately we cannot select बाकी सब लोग आप father as in parents we cannot select boss we cannot select गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड हस्बैंड वाइफ बाकी दुनिया में जो चाहो सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो बट माँ बाप और बॉस अपने नसीब में नहीं होता है ओके माँ बाप तो ऑलवेज अच्छे होते ही हैं बट बॉस हमेशा अच्छा नहीं होता सो माय करियर बिगेन ऑन 6th of October 1993 ओके तब आप लोग सब लोग निगेटिव में थे मतलब पैदा भी नहीं होते नेगेटिव काउंटिंग चालू था आप लोगों का यू ऑल आर व्हाट 2000 बैच आई गेस 2000 2001 बॉर्न तो अब 7 साल नेगेटिव में थे and I started working with NI Mehta and Company, one of the leading practicing cost accountants in Mumbai. And there were 3 partners, and the senior partner was Mr. Mehta, Milind Mehta. Now he must be what 90 or something. He's in UK. So kabhi unka and his birthday happens to be on Valentine's Day, so we always wish him. हमें वैलेंटाइंस डे पे वो ओपेरा होटल वगैरह ले जाते थे खाने पीने के लिए बर्थडे की पार्टी के दैट अपार्ट मेहता okay so a Gujarati firm in that firm there was one unwritten rule we all were doing our cost accountancy there were 25-30 boys and girls who were doing cost accountancy and after every examination after every attempt and after every failure we used to go to Mr. Mehta asking him for leave. Sir, अगले attempt के लिए leave चाहिए. And वो firm का एक rule था, especially Mr. Mehta का एक rule था. You will not speak to him in Hindi. You should speak to him either in English or in Gujarati. Okay. And I was fortunate enough that I've lived in Gujarati locality, studied in KC College, so surrounded by all Gujaratis and Marwadis. So I'm quite fluent as far as the language Gujarati is concerned. वहाँ पे क्या होता था? The non-Gujaratis, when they used to go and ask for leave, they used to get leave of 7 days, 15 days before the exam. And if someone goes inside and speaks to him in Gujarati, that person, he or she, will get a leave of 1 month plus. पहले एक दो अटेम्प्ट में मुझे ध्यान में नहीं आया I was trying to be professional and I was talking to him in English. Sir, I need leave. I need to clear my exams. This, that. And then he said, no, Sarvottam, we can't give so much leave to you. There's a lot of audit work pending. This, that. और कोई लड़की जा रही है पीछे से अंदर से सर मैंने रजा जोती थी अब मारो चल दो अटेम्प्ट I have to she would get the leave. एक दो अटेम्प्ट के बाद मुझे भी ध्यान आया बोला यार ये ला भाषा तो हम भी बात कर सकते हैं. And there I learned my first lesson of how to manage your boss. Under Janeka, and I started talking to him in Gujarati. And he was surprised. Are you're Rege? Tame Gujarati mein baat karo cho. Then I explained him my reasons for knowing that particular language. Maybe some of you are aware why I know that language. That's not the topic of discussion over here. So I started communicating him. Mariya se kare de fatafat he signed me a 1 month leave. And that was my intermediate ka attempt, group 2 ka. Then for my final, all my attempts, I got sufficient leave. Whatever I wanted, I got. Whatever I wanted, I got. Okay. And then the other people, non-Gujarati people, used to feel jealous about me. कि यार ये जबरदस्ती जाके लेके लीव लेके आता है और हम लोग को मिलता नहीं है करके. I said, fine. You have to be selfish at times. To be selfish because I had to appear for my exam. Yeah, उनको भी करना था. But if that was the unwritten rule of that particular office, If there was a loophole, why I should not exploit it to my advantage? Am I doing anything illegal? Did I act illegally? No. क्या did I bribe him? कि sir ये पैसा ले लो और मुझे leave दे दो? No. Did I blackmail him? No. Was it a crime to speak in Gujarati? In Mumbai, you can speak in Gujarati in any other language you want. I did that. अभी मुझे आ रही थी वो लैंग्वेज और किसी को नहीं आ रही थी तो it was not my fault. In fact, when he came on my wedding day, he was talking to my dad in English and all, and there he realized that except me, no one in my house speaks Gujarati. So in fact, he felt very happy about it. So yes, that was my first, what do you say, a political move to get things done the way I wanted it to be. There were other two partners also. Okay, I wouldn't like to name them over here. Uh, One of them was a Gujarati fellow, and the other guy was a Jewish person. No, a Jew tha wo. He's in Israel now, and the other fellow was a Gujarati partner. This fellow, uh, जैसे बोलते हो ना, share market का कीड़ा. Whatever little I know about share market today, the initial things वो बोलते हैं ना, जैसे जैसे बीज डाले गए और फिर पानी देना शुरू हुआ और फिर उसमें से ट्री बाहर आ गया. That initial inception happened with this person who was a Gujarati partner in that particular firm. Means सुबह ऑफिस में आने के बाद पहले कुछ डिस्कशन चालू होगा तो विप्रो लिया क्या, इन्फोसिस लिया क्या, टीसीएस का क्या होने वाला है, एलएनटी का क्या होने वाला है, आईटीसी का क्या होने वाला है. And we used to learn so much from that interaction. So much from that interaction. But that guy was super brilliant. His BSc and then he has done his CMA. Imagine BSc science के बाद उसने ICWA किया था. And this fellow was a king of share market. Today he owns a Mercedes, has a bungalow in South Mumbai. Yeah? Not flat, bungalow in South Mumbai. Near Maratha Mandir Theatre, Bombay Central. So ये बंदा हमें फायर बहुत करता था. बहुत फायर करता था, and especially with respect to language. And as I said, I had studied in Marathi medium, so my language, my oratory skills were okay, but my written language was not that great. बहुत फायर करता था. अरे तू ऐसे क्या लिख रहा है, ये क्या कर रहा है, वो क्या, बहुत फायर करता था. And coincidentally, he used to stay in the same locality where I used to reside. हम लोग एक ही, मतलब साटे और ढाणुकर जितना डिस्टेंस था हमारे घर में. तो किसी दिन मैं झूठ बोल के छुट्टी मारू कि बॉस तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, छुट्टी मार रहा हूँ, वो घर आ जाता था यार देखने के लिए. या कभी मैं घूम रहा हूँ और सडनली फ्रॉम द बालकनी विल सी एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे, हाँ मैं देखा तुझे घूम रहा था करके वगैरह. So I had to be very careful. One thing I learned from him. And this instance happened when we were on the audit of Hindustan Unilever. We were in the corporate office of HUL, and me and my team, we were supposed to go to various places of various factories of Hindustan Unilever in India. And this guy, the guy from Hindustan Unilever, Mr. Shantanu naam tha unka, he was very aggressive, very arrogant. Once he told me that, hey, Sarvottam, just get these photocopies for me. I was very new here, just like you all, just graduate होके बाहर आया था. तो मैंने गया और मैं उसको फोटोकॉपी निकाल के लाके दे दिया. And this this Gujarati partner, his name is Mr. Choksi. He saw me, okay, and he called me to his room and he said, "What did you do just now?" I said, "Mr. Shantanu asked for some photocopies, so I gave him the photocopies." He said, "Are you working for us or you're working for HUL?" I said, "Of course I'm working for you, sir." Then why the hell you did his job? I mean, I said he just requested. He's a senior fellow. तो क्या हो गया senior fellow है तो? Was it your job to take out the Xerox copy for him? If I tell you that's okay, I am not telling you because I know that Xeroxing is not a job of cost assistant or a cost trainee. You're going to be a professional. I cannot ask you to go and get tea for me, go and get photocopy for me, go and get some saman for me or some file for me. No, I can't do that. Are you getting me? How can that fellow tell you? Are you his peon or something, personal assistant? No. Is he paying you salary? No. Then why the hell you did his job? These were the words. Literally, these were the words. And then he said, Sarvottam, remember forever, you should not do something which is not your job. You're not supposed to do something which you're not, you should not do something which you're not supposed to do. These were the exact words. You should not do anything which you are not supposed to do. Come what may. कोई भगवान उत्तर के भी आंसर तुझे बोलेगा ना ये काम कर बोलने का, no boss, this is not my job. Yeah, whatever is your job, do it with 100% commitment, more than 100% commitment. But जो तुम्हारा काम नहीं है वो तुम्हें नहीं करना है. I was a monitor, a class representative when I was in 9th or 10th में. Okay, and we had one class teacher. I mean, I can't name that lady over here. That lady told me that go and get Crocin for me. She had headache or something. Okay, और मैंने उनको बोला था, sorry miss, I cannot. The conversation happened in Marathi, but I'm telling you in English. Sorry ma'am, I cannot. She said, "Arey, you're the monitor of the class. How can you say no to me?" I said, "Ma'am, that's not my job. If you want, I can call the peon uncle. He will go and get Crocin for you. That's not my job." बहुत खुन्नस रखा हो मैम ने मेरे ऊपर. ठीक है, चलेगा, no problem. But I will not do something which I am not supposed to. But you have to understand the situation. Huh? You have to understand the situation. Suppose if I am teaching you all in the class, say Aditi, आपके class में मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, okay, and Aditi is the CR, suppose. And if I tell Aditi, Aditi, just go to Anna's canteen and get one tea, one vada pav, or something for me. Aditi should say no to me. How she wants to say, sir, this is not my job. Okay, Regesar might get angry. Sir, I don't think. Should I call the peon uncle? And should I ask the peon uncle to call up Anna and order for this? Maybe she can. Choice of words could be hers. But come what may, she should not. She should not fear that how can you say no to your coordinator? आपके इंटरनल्स के मार्क गए अदिति, आपको ये होगा, और एक खुन्नस निकालेंगे रेगे सर. जो भी है होने दो. बट जो मेरा काम नहीं है वो मैं नहीं करूंगा या करूंगी. Yeah, wait a minute. But and exactly the same thing happened in TYBF B division 2 years back. I was taking a lecture. The room was closed, suffocated. I was sweating. I was talking in very high energy, high pitch पे बात हो रही थी. And suddenly I fainted in the class. Literally, I fainted. And a girl, Mrunmay, I'll come to that. And a girl literally rushed and called one of the faculties, and then the Limbu Pani was called for. I was taken to staff room and all that, and the girl was waiting till the time I gained back my consciousness. That was out of concern and humanity. I'm not saying, मतलब अगर वो मेरा बॉस वो शांतनु घोष अगर जो भी जिसने मुझे जेरोक्स कॉपी निकालने बोला वो अगर गिरता था वहां पे, then I would have supported him, and I should support him. Humanity is something different. Humanity is something different. But I cannot treat you, Aditi, or anyone for that matter, like my personal servant. Hey, just get my bag. Hey, just get that. कभी-कभी हम लोग request करते हैं, can you just get a chalk for us? कभी-कभी हो जाता है. Once in a way, it's okay. But every time I'll come without chalk and I'll ask Lucha, just go and get chalk for me. Then that's not done. That's not your job. That's not your job. In that case, Rucha, what you should do, if I'm telling this to you every day, Rucha, go and get the chalk for me. Rucha, go and first of all, ये gesture भी गलत है, जो मैं भी कर रहा हूँ ये वाला. This is wrong. This is a wrong gesture. We all are human beings. We all are professionals. Yeah, okay, you are half of my age, fine, but still I need to respect you. If I want you to respect me, then I should respect you first. And this one thing you must learn in corporate. How Rucha could have handled the situation. Rucha, second time, third time, she would go and she'll tell a peon uncle, Rege sir bula rahe, and class mein aake baithne. The peon will come to the class and ask me, sir, kya hua? Then I'll tell him, haan, jara ek chocolate. Then the message will be loud and clear to me. Rucha is not liking this. If she says, sir, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी, हो सकता है my ego will get hurt, I may get angry. अगर आपको वो fear होगा, personally I will not, but Rucha might have that fear in her mind. So yes, go call the peon, sir बुला रहे बोलेंगे तो peon आएगा. Peon सामने आया, हाँ सर क्या चाहिए, तो आई विल टेल हिम अरे जरा चौक घेऊन ये. So he'll bring the chalk. Message will be loud and clear to me. Next time I will not tell the chalk to go and get the chalk. Yeah. Jayashree, you wanted to ask something.